Greetings, LAHSA students, parents, and families. This is Susan Canjura, the principal of LAHSA. I hope you are doing well, staying healthy and safe during this time. I know it's a difficult time for everyone and that you are facing many challenges. I want you to know that I'm still here, along with your teachers, counselors, and other staff to help you continue with your education. Now that the school is closed, I wanted to take the opportunity to talk with you about how we are continuing learning in this time. This is not a vacation from school. It is important that you know that we are not in our school building, but students should continue to make progress towards completing classes so they can graduate from high school. To do this, each student needs access to technology, either with a computer, cell phone, or iPad. Each teacher is posting assignments on Schoology and having meetings with their classes online. Students should be checking Schoology to see what their assignments are and completing them. We will be following the schedule that we usually have on late start days. This schedule will be posted on Schoology and our website. Teachers will schedule meetings during the period that you have their class, so there will not be any conflicts with other classes. Parents, please make sure your child attends online sessions and completes assignments. We want all students to receive credit for this semester and stay on track to graduating. Seniors, please complete all of your work so you can graduate in June. School will not be extended, and so we want everyone to complete all of their work for this semester. Spring break is continuing as previously scheduled, beginning April 3rd through April 10th. Our school's number will be texted to you and posted on the website. We are here to support you and answer any questions you may have during this time. Please take care of your health and your family. We really care about you and want you to be healthy and well, and know that there are a lot of things happening that may make it difficult for you to complete work, but we want you to do your best, and we're all trying to do our best so that we can complete our work this semester and come back as soon as we can. We are scheduled to return on May 4th, but we will let you know more as we get closer to that date. So thank you very much, and we look forward to hearing from you with any questions or concerns.